Hello guys, welcome to Nana's
Creole.
Cuisine. So today we're going to show you one quick way to make Haitian American Haitian chicken sandwich. We say Haitian because we're a little bit complicated in our spice. So we have our chicken breast right here. We have our dry spice, so you can choose to put any dry spice you like in your taste. And of course we have our lettuce and tomatoes and
Breadcrumbs.
yes, so I have the seasoned one, but you can get the plain one. Okay. Our vinegar, so we're gonna put that in the chicken very soon. And of
She likes to kill the
course,
meat.
oh yes, sweet Hawaii. So let's just go very quickly. So we have some salt. First, we're going to put some salt over our chicken breast, okay, to make sure, because we're not boil it, it's going to be fried. You don't have to put too much because the season very.
And guys, I know this is like I call this Nana's filet, but it's like a somewhat of a Chick-fil-A version, chicken sandwich. But we joke around in the house, we call it Nana's filet. So today you guys are gonna be learning how to make Nana's filet.
Yes. So we put our lemon and lime. The Haitian way, Haitian won't cook chicken for you guys without lemon and lime and wash it and clean it. So we don't just take napkin and dry the water, pat it down. So
Nana's version of cleaning is to kill it. She kills the chicken.
so we kill it. So I'm gonna put a little bit of vinegar. Vinegar is not something I really like to cook with because it gives your meat a sweet taste, a little sweet taste. I don't really like it, but I put a little bit in there because, like I said, this is what's going to kill the meat.
That's a whole
Kill
lot.
it.
That's a whole lot of a little.
Yes. Kill it, guys. Make sure you kill that. Okay. So if you can pay attention to this, you see that when you put the acid, it brings up all the fat. So now it will be easy to remove. So we don't cook our chicken with those fats in there.
Grease. Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
we don't do that.
Nice trick. Nice trick.
Oh yes. First, remove all of this. Let me do the job with the fingers. Yeah, I don't like those things.
Let's see if I can zoom in to catch this. Although people, bear with me. It might be choppy.
Yeah. So they have that white vein. So we take it out. Sorry guys. Nice. Nice. So that will be a chicken. That will be a big sandwich. Just like that. So you want to open so the season can go through and it can cook very well. I open it, guys.
Show that again. Please.
Open.
Turn it around, facing.
And turn. So you have the option of make that in two pieces. guys. Going to pat dry the chicken. Take the water out. So like that it can be very crispy. Ooh, smells so good, mamma mia. Wow.
Guys, I'm going to have to find a way to ship you guys the smell because, my lord.
No, it smells good for real.
And you don't have to let yours get this dark, but we just like it dark. My goodness, guys, this looks so good. Let me pull out the camera. This looks so good, guys. Mm-mm-mm. Wow. Alrighty, so that's the final product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to, if you found this video to be useful, informative, please subscribe, like, and share it to someone so like that they could try out the recipe. Thank you guys. See you later.